Hello and welcome to Shopify Experts. As you know, Facebook is gonna down today, and we can't have any activity. We don't do any activity on the Facebook. Also, all other apps by Facebook is down right now. Why we see this? Because the servers of Facebook, like WhatsApp, Instagram, and other messenger, other services are down by Facebook, and we don't know when these services will go on up. So we have a lot of problems in Shopify stores. We do play ads on business.facebook.com through different data sources. Facebook Pixel is not responding right now to Shopify stores. That can be a very bad thing. And yes, if you guys want to get more informations like this, then you can subscribe my YouTube channel Shopify Experts, and also click on the bell icon for the latest upcoming news. So yes, stay tuned, and yes, we are going to look on to it. Once it's up, we'll have our businesses back, like on the Facebook, on the Shopify store. Those who are running ads on the Shopify stores are basically down, and other products like Google Tag Manager that are not owned by Shopify is working. And yes, Facebook is again down, and let's see in the all time we can have another take a look at this. Until it's down, please stay tuned and keep visiting facebook.com, so that if it's up, you may have a news. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.